Okay, we're up here in the Great Falls, and we are getting ready to cruise the drag tonight. We're gonna get the little Ford coupe off tonight, go cruise it around, have some fun, and the weather's perfect, so it should be a good time tonight. And we'll see you cruising. Like even here in Great Falls, like most people drive around this town and can't appreciate really what they're looking at, but the history of this town and what's gone on and the old brick buildings and the cool stuff, like I love that stuff. And you merge all that together and you start building a car. You know, the big thing is when I was in Billings, I put a Cummins diesel in a rat rod in 2008, and it literally went viral. It was crazy. In probably the last 10 or 12 years, I've probably built over 100 cars. We gotta look at this little coupe. Come on, get it! Yeah! Look at that little sucker. Door flew open, just like a rat rod.
Just like mine.
Just like a rat rod. To me, Montana's like home, the people here, and now I've kind of created a welding school that you can come to about every 5 weeks, and I'm teaching young guys and even older guys to come and weld at the WelderUp shop. So just kind of trying to pass that on, and you know, we don't have education for these kids anymore on shop class like we did back in the old days, so it's kind of fun to bring these young guys in and teach them how to weld and give them a direction. And that's kind of where I'm focusing now, is just giving people a direction. I was raised in eastern Montana and Billings area, and being back here in Great Falls just really still has that old Montana vibe. I just want to let you know it feels really good to be here. A lot of cool people. Thank you to my Canadians that came down. We know who you are because you're so white. The whitest people on the planet. But I love you guys. Thanks for driving all the way down here, and everybody else for coming. I really appreciate it. Like I said, you guys are like family up when I'm up here, so thank you.